If your website doesn't breathe evergreen life, Google will bury you next core update. Google's March 2024 update slashed unoriginal content by 40% across its search results. Gartner predicts traditional search volume will drop 25% by 2026 due to AI chatbots. Zero-click searches now consume 57.8% of mobile queries, per SEMrush's latest report. Featured snippets boost brand recall by 2x in no-click scenarios, data shows. Ahrefs proves evergreen assets generate 300% more lifetime traffic than trending news posts. YouTube educational videos retain 85% of peak viewership for over 24 months. Trending topics on YouTube decay within 72 hours, killing long-term engagement. Instagram now rewards original educational reels with 20% longer engagement tails. HubSpot reports 76% of blog views and 92% of leads come from evergreen posts. Content teams now dedicate up to 25% of budgets solely to evergreen maintenance. ProfitWell shows SaaS using evergreen tutorials achieve 5 to 10% higher customer retention. Insider Intelligence forecasts U.S. search ad spend will top $132 by 2025. OpenAI's report reveals 82% of top evergreen search results show human oversight, and the Freshness algorithm now demands updates every 6 months or face penalties. Google's Quality Rater guidelines place experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness above all. Only content with genuine author bios, case studies, and citations can survive volatility. Harvard Business Review revealed that deep expertise beats superficial coverage every time. Forbes data shows sites with first-person case studies boost trust signals by 60%. MIT Media Lab links on your site amplify authoritativeness in Google's eyes. WSJ plagiarism scandals prove trustworthiness collapses instantly with a single error. Freshness factors reward pages updated within 6 months, even if core content stays the same. Backlinko data shows updating and republishing can spike organic traffic by 106% in a quarter. Ahrefs refreshed their posts in 2023 and saw organic visits jump by 120%. HubSpot's overhaul of 2018 content in 2022 drove a 50% surge in lead generation. Moz 2019 content audit revived 200 legacy pages, regaining 40K monthly visits. HTTPS adoption via Let's Encrypt has become a basic trust signal for Google's crawlers. Publishing methodology tables and data sources reduces bounce rates by 22%, according to study. Moz research links intent alignment to a 30% decrease in user churn on guides. Layer these EEAT pillars under every evergreen guide to armor yourself against updates. Pillar content is 3,000+ word flagship guides that answer queries for years on end. Ahrefs data shows these pillars yield 300% more lifetime traffic than news posts. Gartner's 2026 search decline makes these pillars your survival blueprint. Use silo architecture. Link your pillar to 10 to 20 cluster posts for maximum depth. Buffer built 10 pillars and 120 cluster articles to dominate their niche. Internal links cut crawl budget waste by 35%, according to SEO experts. Keyword clustering targets head terms, plus 5 to 10 long-tail variations per pillar. HubSpot says 76% of blog traffic originates from evergreen content published years ago. Compound asset theory from Ben Graham explains how pillars accumulate value over time. Activate your community. Slack channels around your guides multiply backlinks. Monitor mentions with Ahrefs alerts and fix broken links within 24 hours. Format answers as bullet points to nail Google's featured snippet boxes. Ensure mobile pages load under 1 second on 3G to retain snippet positions. Embed YouTube tutorials in your guides to boost dwell time and reduce bounce. Remember Solo's growth model. Technology compounds output. Content compounding is no different. Content Marketing Institute says to allocate 15 to 25% of budgets for evergreen audits. SEMrush warns quarterly audits prevent up to 30% traffic decay on aging posts. Run Screaming Frog crawls weekly to find broken internal and external links. Backlinko's republishing method refreshes titles, stats, and visuals for a 106% lift. Moze's 2019 audit rescued 200 pages and recovered 40K visits per month. HubSpot revamped 500 posts in 1 year, lifting lead gen by 120%. Search Console shows pages with rising impressions ripe for a content update. Cross-link new articles to old pillars and keep crawlers on your site longer. Avoid token date tweaks. Add fresh case studies and first-hand examples instead. Incorporate proprietary survey data to outshine generic statistics on competitor sites. Label each update with last reviewed dates to boost user confidence. A/B test your meta tags and titles every quarter for incremental gains. Use ChatGPT for drafting updates, but keep human editors in the loop at every step. Remember, 82% of top Evergreen results still show significant human oversight per OpenAI. This maintenance mandate turns your existing library into a compounding revenue engine. Insider Intelligence forecasts U.S. search ad spend to exceed $132 by 2025. Every dollar you shift from ads to Evergreen SEO trims CAC by 73% on average. ProfitWell data shows a 5 to 10% bump in retention for SaaS companies using Evergreen education. SEO-driven leads cost roughly $20 compared to $75 per lead on paid search. Zero-click mobile searches at 57.8% mean branded exposure now beats referral traffic. Featured snippet placement doubles brand recall, even without a single click. CMI reports 48% of top B2B marketers prioritize Evergreen thought leadership over news. Ad spend ROI collapses in red oceans. Evergreen SEO is your blue ocean refuge. Ford's internal blog slashed $2 million in ad costs and drove 30% organic sales growth. Every dollar wasted on transient trend pieces is capital thrown into a black hole. Use Duchan Kim's blue ocean strategy. Create uncontested market space with evergreen content. Moore's Law of Marketing says content compounds growth exponentially over and over. Moz research shows unprepared pages can lose up to 60% of traffic overnight. Those who build pillars now will control the traffic curves for years to come. This isn't theory, it's survival economics in an AI-powered marketplace. AI chatbots will answer 20% of desktop queries by 2026, bypassing links. Google's next core update may devalue AI-only content in favor of human insight. OpenAI data shows 82% of top Evergreen results feature human editorial oversight. Bing's AI answer cards capture 40% of user attention without a single click. Amazon's voice search will target featured snippets in smart speakers next. Will you lead this shift or watch competitors claim your audience? Wikipedia still dominates on deep Evergreen trust despite countless challengers. Start embedding chat-ready Q&A transcripts in long-form assets today. Forge strategic alliances with communities before AI intermediates every search. Proprietary insights and unique data points will be your last refuge of relevance. The war for context in AI-driven answers has already begun. Only pages with true authority and recent proof points will sustain visibility. Every update is a battle won. Neglect means your domain will be forgotten. The next 5 years favor the builders of evergreen empires, not trend chasers. Question: in a world of AI headlines, what will make your content truly irreplaceable?